Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to find free assets using the Roblox Marketplace right from the Roblox mobile app. Let's get started. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Then here tap the three dots or more button at the bottom right of the screen, then tap on Marketplace. And inside the Marketplace, choose a category like accessories or animation and tap sort and filter and set the price to free. And this will show all the free items available. And tap on any item to preview it, and if you like it, hit get to add it to your inventory and totally free. And that's it. You've now unlocked a world full of free assets in Roblox using Trust the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.